Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you something quite unusual. I am in Turkey and on a boat tour and I'm going on a mud bath. I have never done this before. Apparently it is very therapeutic and very healthy for the skin. So I'm going to show you from start to finish. Please stick along with me through the journey. I will show you some nice clips of the surrounding areas. As you can see in the backdrop, very beautiful turquoise water and people swimming. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. As you can see, sailing along this coast, some of the views are so breathtaking, really beautiful. Now, our first stop will be Turtle Beach after about 3.5 to 4 hours. Right, so currently I'm at Turtle Beach. Turtle Beach for me was a bit of a surprise. Really nice beach, really like the area. To be honest, one of the better beaches I've been outside of the Caribbean. So we had to change from the big boat to some small boats, which took us to Turtle Beach. I was a bit surprised. There was so much people on the beach. I'm not too sure how they got there because it just felt like this beach is in an isolated place. But they have all the facilities there, like changing room, fresh water, food, and it was just a nice area to relax, chill, you know. Even the backdrop of the area with the hills and mountains close by, really nice. I really enjoyed Turtle Beach. I would say if you get a chance, go to Turtle Beach. Really love the place. So once we departed Turtle Beach, our next stop is King Tombs. We started to sail upriver. These tombs dated back to 3,000 years. I was a bit disappointed because I thought we'd get much closer to the tombs. I think we were a good distance away on the river, but it was a good view anyway. Me personally, I like history, I like information, so it was nice taking in all the information. To be honest, we did get some information, but it was in Turkish. I'll let you hear it shortly. I didn't understand a clue what the person was saying, but at least they tried.
İplerle yukarıdan aşağı sallandırarak asansör görevi gibi çekişlerle taşlarla birbirine vurarak bu mezarları 30 yılda tamamlıyorlar. İlk olarak krala ait olan büyük mezar yapılıyor. İç kısmında 3 oda var. 30 yıl sonra tüm mezarlar tamamlanıp bittikten sonra kölelerin hepsini yukarıdan aşağı yatarak diri diri öldürüyorlar. Çünkü o dönemde Likyalılar reenkarnasyona inanıyorlar. Tekrar hayata geriye geleceğiz diye de kendilerini ziynet eşyalarıyla, takılarıyla, altınlarıyla götürüyorlar. 1919'da yabancı arkeologlar Türkiye'ye gelip kazı çalışması yapıyor. Burada çıkarılan eserler şu anda İstanbul'da.
Okay, if you understand what was just said by that lovely gentleman in Turkish, please leave a comment giving me a full description of what he said. I'd love to know, to be honest. So we continue upriver, still getting some lovely views, and our next stop will be the mud bath. So we just came off the boat and then we head into this mud bath. Not too sure what it is, as you can see a lot of people in front of me and behind as well. So there's a group of people, I think about 8 boats that take us to this location. Should be So, haven't seen this mud bath yet, but they take us into this place. Have a lot of stuff inside this selling, as you can see, right around. So, this is the entry point of the mud bath. It is said that after you complete the bath, the result is that you will look much younger, both male and female. It also revitalizes your skin, among other health benefits. I can't take the camera beyond this point, but I'm gonna have a try, and I will let you know my opinion once I've completed the course. Once you have completed your mud bath, then you do have showers on site for you to have a wash off, and then there's a thermal pool which you do go and have a line for about 10 minutes, and then you can get a next wash off and then get changed. So I was unable to take the camera into the mud bath itself, so I couldn't show you around or show you the thermal pool. I tried to gauge what other people are thinking or saying or their opinion. At the end I got a couple of people just to say or express their opinion on the whole thing. A couple of them, it was their second experience, so I'll let you have a listen in a short while. Me personally, if I'll be honest with you, it was just an experience. I don't believe in it. Yeah, it was a good experience. Your second time, what do you think? Do you think it worked? Do you think it worked?
Yeah, the skin feels a bit cleaner, but
you came here before, didn't you?
yeah, different though, it's different. It was more natural, like rocks in the ground where you actually got in like natural formed rocks.
Okay.
Yeah, like it had been there like, 1,000 years or something.
Okay.
Yeah, a bit more commercial now.
Really smelt a sulphur where that wasn't. It smelled
Couple opinions there. You hear it for yourself. If you have ever visited this mud bath in Turkey, please let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me your experience. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember, leave a comment to introduce yourself. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.